Okay. Good afternoon, Dave Langsather, and today we want to start a 5-part series in the tap tuning of tailpieces. Tailpiece is very important because this controls basically the focus of the notes, the amount of power you can get out of your instrument, and with the tailpiece tuned correctly and a fingerboard tuned correctly, I guess we'll take that one, then every note you play up here, touchdown is going to be powerful and even, and then that'll correspond in tune with the back with the tailpiece. So we're going to break this into 5 parts, and in this section it's the top plate and the fingerboard and the tailpiece. They're all tuned the same way. So it's going to be easiest to see and hear if you just go back and review the top plate tuning, and it's both 5 print articles and then 5 videos, and it's 5 print articles and 5 videos, and it's also going to be then 5 print articles and then 5 videos. Because this is so much smaller and it's going to be a little harder to see everything, and we'll just get a few tools out here that we're probably going to be using. Okay, so the first part, this first video, a second here, I'm going to get a timer going here. I think I have 16 minutes of total recording time. So the first thing we're going to do in video number 1, we're going to work on the layout of the mode 5 lines in the acoustical center. And normally I'd use chalk or just a pencil line to mark where these are, and I may just go ahead and use a little liquid paper here so you can see it. So we're going to start out, I got 2 tappers. This is just spruce wood, and this is filled full of lead shot. And because this first part is going to rely on the high upper tones, we're just going to use just a regular piece of spruce. So it goes down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 up. So what we're going to do is the joint between the down and the down, this is going to be our mode 5 lines. And it's same for the bass top plate and the fingerboard. So let's go ahead and go right down the middle. I'm just going to put that on there. Down, 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 up, 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 up. Okay, a little X in that. And then this normally would just be in the middle. Looks like it is. Okay, so that'll be the acoustical center. Now we're going to go on a line down this way and see where it is. Because remember, this back has a elliptic shape, and so that's going to affect where it is. And make it out right there. Okay, those will be our lines at this end. So we're just going to draw it on this way. So there's three areas here, and this is tuned. This is all more or less one tone. This is all more or less one tone, and this is all more or less one tone. Now normally, you see the string bar is gone here. Normally we tune it with the string bar on. Okay, so the da da da. So it's highest, middle, low. So this middle section will be half of the two ends. So we know this one is too low, and of the three, this is high. That's halfway between these two, middle, low. So that's basically our job, is just to have the acoustical center and the two mode 5 lines. So when the tailpiece vibrates in this mode, it'll vibrate over here, it'll vibrate in here, but along this line there'll be no vibration. It kind of hinges on that area, and then it vibrates on both sides. So that's all you do for the first stage. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it.